Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm gonna show you how we can add transitions to our video in CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and we're going to add transitions between these two clips. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this button. Then we can select the transition that we want. We can scroll all the way to the right to find the transitions, and for me I'm just going to click on black fade transition right here, and we can choose the duration of the transition. We can go right to increase the duration, and we can go left to decrease the duration. After that we can click on this check mark. Alright, and let's see the result guys. Let's play the video. Okay guys, and that's how we can add transitions to our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video is useful for you, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.